Hello friends, myself Shabat Seth. So today we are talking about Angular component in Java. Angular component. So Angular component are the main building blocks of Angular application. Each component consists of an HTML template that declares what renders on the page. The TypeScript class that define behavior, CSS selector that define how the component is used to template, and optionally the CSS styles applied to the templates. This topic describe the how the we create the configure and Angular component. So prerequisites to create a component, verify that we made the prerequisite. So first of all we install the Angular CLI, that after that create an Angular workspace with the initial application. If we want if you don't have a project, create one using new ng new project, where the project name is whatever you want to give the, if we in an Angular application. So next one is creating components. The best way to create the component is the with the Angular CLI. We can also create the component by manually also. So creating component using Angular CLI. So to create a component using the Angular CLI, from the terminal window navigate to directory containing our application. So run the ng generate component. In that component having the command where the component name is the name of the our new component. So by default the component create the directory name after the component file, that is component.ts file, template file, that is component.html file, and css file, that is the component.css file, or testing specification file, that is the TypeScript, that is the component.spec that ts file, where the component name is the name of our component. So we can change how ng generate component create the new component. For the more information, we can see the ng generate component in Angular documentation. So creating a component by manually. So although the Angular CLI is the best way to create the Angular component, so we can also create a component manually. This section describes the how to create a core component file within an existing Angular component. So to create a new component manually, navigate to our Angular project directly and create a new file, that is the component name and .component ts. So this is all about Angular component. Thank you so much.